What's up, everybody? We're back for another one. What I have here today is another front lip for the 10th gen, courtesy of American Modified. Go ahead and get that open and I'll show y'all what it looks like. So this one is initially different than the one that they gave me last time. The one last time, if you remember, was a 3-piece lip. It was separated from the side splitters to the middle to the side splitters. This one's full ABS, 1-piece. That's why it came in this packaging that it's in. It is very aggressive. I mean, this sticks out at least 4 inches from the front. So we may see if we can do something, maybe mount it wrong or something like that to where it'll be tucked in a little bit more, but I guess we'll see. To head to Shane's in Lafayette, and we're gonna see if we can get this thing mounted up and looking right. And let's go ahead and get this thing mocked up and bolted on. This lip has spots predestined for the bolts. It comes with self tappers and washers, so that's what you'll be using to install it. Fitment really is fucking spot on. It's on. All right, guys. Well, there you have it. Again, as far as fitment on this thing, literally everything lines up perfect. American Modified killed it on this one, especially compared to that other one that we had installed on Lori's car. Again, pretty straightforward process. Looks pretty good. It's a little aggressive. But yeah, first impressions is, again, it's a little more crazy than I'm used to. So anyway, one last look at it from the front. Very aggressive, very nice looking. Flows pretty well with everything else. So I can honestly say I'm happy with. Again, thank you American Modified for sending me not 1 but 2 lips. I really do appreciate it. I appreciate y'all taking the time out of y'all day to talk with me and actually give me a chance to make these videos for y'all. So again, guys, if y'all have any questions, feel free to ask in the comments. Again, it was very straightforward, super simple, and yeah. So that's all I have for today, guys. Y'all take it easy and like, comment, subscribe as usual, and I will see y'all on the next one.